So this is me, ALIRAZA, and location targeting is very important. This is a feature of Google Ads and Facebook Ads, but right now I just want to discuss about Google Ads, because with Google Ads you have an ability to do pinpoint targeting to specific locations. You can include locations and you can exclude specific locations. For example, if you're a pizza boy and you want to target specific locations, it's a very good feature through which you can target pinpoint locations. Because for instance, if I have a pizza company in New York and I do not want to get it delivered in all areas of New York, or if I'm providing delivery to specific areas, this can be a very crucial function through which I can, rather targeting the whole city, I can target a specific area. For instance, if I'm a doctor providing my services in specific areas, I can pinpoint to specific areas of a city or specific locations, and I can exclude as well. For instance, if I do not want customers for a specific area, or I feel that the specific area do not like my services, I can exclude them so that my ads doesn't appear on them. This can be again a very beneficial point. For instance, if I am providing services where I just want to exclude locations, for instance, I feel like I have a retail shop regarding perfumes and I'm selling high quality perfumes, and I feel like a specific city has a push areas and a specific city has a low class areas as well, and I feel like a low class areas do not want to will not buy my products, so I can exclude them. And for instance, if I'm selling a competitive price where I feel low price area customers can easily buy it, and rather I shouldn't waste my money on high push areas, so I can exclude high push areas so that my ads doesn't appear on them. So this can be a very good function if you target it correctly and use it wisely for your services. You can do location targeting by adding postal codes. You can add specific areas. You can also do pinpoint targeting through location, and you can select specific areas where you want your ad to be targeted. So very good function of both Google Ads and Facebook Ads, but right now I'm just talking about Facebook Ads. So I mean some about Google Ads. So let's get started on how we can track it through Google Ads. So what you have to do is you have to first open an account, and I'm gonna find a specific account where location extensions are required. So it's just taking a little longer. So let me open a new window. So here you go, I can see the account. So let's open this account where I have to do the location extension settings for a friend of mine. So I just wanted to show you all as well on how we can do it as well, because it's a great feature, as I told you before. So I mean, it's taking a little while due to slow internet probably. So here you go, this is the campaign where I have to do the location extension, and here I will go to the settings, and in settings here is the location settings, and here you can set your locations. And you can see this is a basic way to target or exclude. You can include or exclude a location. For instance, if I want to exclude this, I just selected this and my ad won't show here. So it's a very quick way, but there is an advanced way as well. And here you go, you have to go to the advanced search, and I'm just looking for a specific location. Right now that location is not coming, but rather the whole city is coming. So I will target the specific location. So here you go, you can select the locations as well here by doing pinpoint targeting, and you can also, like, it's a radius based location, and you can also select areas from here to know where you want to see. If I have here, see, if I'm just trying a specific location, you can see I can target the whole area. Now the thing is, Dubai is small and I'm targeting 20 miles, so I need to reduce the mile size so things make it easier for me. So again, you can see it won't work this way, so which is why reducing the size is also important. So you can see I can exclude locations from here. I can select exclude and my ad won't appear here. But let's say if I have to do it through postal code, this is a very good again feature through which I can target, include or exclude my locations, and that is I can select them basis on the zip code as well. And zip code is a great feature, but you can see it's showing the same zip code for all the Dubai locations, just 2 or 3 locations different, but I'm saying this is coming for US. It's probably because in Dubai they do not target based on the zip codes. So for postal codes I will select for USA, and I can show you how you can target basis on the basis of postal codes. You can see I can select a postal code here.
You can feel it.
You can see, let me select just a random postal code from here. So there are so many popular zip searches codes here. So for instance, if I select this, I just wanted to make sure the location. It's Brookline, New York. I'm just gonna write it here, and so you can see it's coming automatically. I can target, I can exclude. So in case I have to target it, or if I have to exclude it, it's very easy to do it, and it's very user friendly to do it. Let me select this location. I can target here and I can exclude here. It's in Alexandria, so just you can see it's coming here. Okay, there's an option nearby. Nearby tells the nearby locations where I have it. These are the locations which is near to my targeted city, and if I have to target some over here, I can do it as well through nearby location. So now you can see I'm not able to target Dera Dubai, but although I can see similar locations here, but these are the cities or states, you can say, like Abu Dhabi or something, but I'm just looking to target a specific area in Dubai. So right now there is another way, and that is through advanced video targeting, and I can show you through which I can do like a pinpoint targeting. Okay, I figured it out. The issue was basically that Dubai itself is a small city, and I was selecting 20 miles, and so it was covering the whole Dubai. So I reduced the size to 5 miles, so I can easily target Dera. I can just see Dera Dubai, and with the 5 miles you can see now I can target Dera, but again I'm also targeting other areas as well. So I need to reduce more size so I can target it accurately, and that is I'm gonna select Dera. No, it's a whole 20 miles. No, I do not want to do 20 miles because it's also covering Sharjah and Ajman as well. So with 2 miles, see now much better. I can target specific area. I can know like this can be a very beneficial way through which I can target the whole Dera. So for instance, if I have to target a specific area which I am not able to target it otherwise, exclude, I just wanted to exclude it. I can do a pinpoint targeting to target specific areas, and my ad won't show in the areas which I don't target. So you can see I'm targeting every area except data. This is for a scenario where I do not want to show my ad into data, and rather all one method was which I show you, exclude, and this is the pinpoint targeting. So I am sure with the locations I am selecting are specifically targeted to the areas which I wanted to target for my ads. You can see I'm selecting areas. I'm selecting on the basis of 1 mile radius, but you can do for 2 mile or 3 mile depending on the location and its size. Since Dubai is a smaller city, so I have to do my settings according to it. But for cities like London or some places in New York which are quite bigger, so I can go with 5 miles or even 10 miles or even 20 miles very easily. Now you can also see the location types. This is a target based location, presence or interest, presence, search interest, or if you want to exclude locations, I also have 2 options, and I just have to select the continue. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching it out. Bye bye.